Okay, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Okay, guys, I have just completed this trainer kit for our PLC Mitsubishi here. Hopefully, the owner will pick it up as soon as possible. Okay, so all terminal blocks are already labeled and the labeling are already here. When you are doing the termination, you just check the labels where you will connect the wires. Okay, now it's already done. Okay, now let me turn this one also. So our PLC are already on. We have two Mitsubishi PLC here that controls the operation of this side and this other side. Okay, so let me first run it in manual. Okay, it's working in manual. Okay, working in manual, so I will stop it. I will put it in, what's there, auto. Okay, auto operation. As you can see, my system works in automatic immediately based on the ladder program uploaded into this PLC. Well, it will change to EF2 after 25 seconds. Okay, so let's wait. If it's already 25, it will stop. Okay, so that's it. That is how it will work. Then if you want, you can turn this off here. Okay, now of course the trainee will try to reprogram this PLC based on different scenario. Okay, so I just put a program here just to show them that the PLC is working fine. Okay, now from this side we can put this one in DOL or forward. Now my motor is already in delta connection. Okay, so I can start it manually. Okay, so that is forward. I will stop it. Then I can also run it in reverse. So that is the reverse. Then I can stop it. Okay, now if I want to run it in Y delta, then it will be controlled by my PLC. This is the Y delta start. Okay, as you can see, Y and the main contactor. After 5 seconds, then main and delta. Okay, so that program is being run by this PLC. Okay, guys, so message me if you want to, let's say you have a school and you want to have a trainer like this, you can message me. Stop. Okay, then put it in off position. Then I can turn off my PLC also. I mean the power here.